I like this wig. Oh my god, y'all, it's been so long since I have reviewed a synthetic wig on YouTube. This feels like home. But I was on Outre's website, right, and they released a bunch of new units, so I picked up two. I picked them up from Elevate Styles. I don't remember where I ordered them from. I think that's where I ordered them from. So I have two, but they're gonna be separate videos. Today I think I'm gonna do Juliet. 1B Honey Kiss is the color I have it in. It's part of their Melted Hairline series. I gotta get back into my bag with my synthetic units. I still love them and I still wear them. I had just kind of stopped reviewing them on YouTube per se. I still love me a good synthetic unit. It's just sitting down and filming videos on YouTube is so, you know what, but I genuinely miss sitting down and filming synthetic wigs for YouTube, so I'm about to get back into it. And I thought, why not this one, because she slayed. She is slaying this wig so hard. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You can see that your parting space is only going to be on your right side. Your parting space will only be on the right. You have full frontal hairline though to work with, so you can do like a little bit of customizing if you want to. This wig comes with these beautiful curls on it. Let me take that off, the netting. But the highlight placement is what got me. When I saw the highlights like towards the bottom of the unit, I thought that was cute. Over here, so like on here it looks like it's underneath her top layer and then towards the bottom. And this is the one I got actually, the color that she has on the model. That's the one that I have. Looking at it right now, I don't know if that's underneath or on top, but we're about to see. So the wig has combs. And it also has this elastic band in here. It's not adjustable, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on anyway. Using the combs in the wig too. This is what we are working with here. Oh, this gives me all the feels. Putting on a synthetic wig, it just feels great. And before I style her up, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any plucking to it, but I might. So this one has the frontal effect hairline, like I told you guys earlier. It also has a design so it fits your ear real comfortable. See how that falls right behind my ear. It's a glueless wear. It has a pre-attached elastic band, which I showed you guys. You can use heat on it up to 400 degrees, 20 inches long, and I have it in 1B Honey Kiss, and it has H2 transparent lace. And then on the back you can see some of those color options that this unit is offered in. And then the inside it also shows you the other wig color options that this unit comes in. She's slaying in every single one, and that looks absolutely amazing. And then red, ooh, love that. Let's go ahead and get her installed, then I'll come back at the end and let you guys know what I feel and what I think. What are you doing? What are you barking at? Why are you barking at me? Why are you barking at me? I'm filming and you out over here acting up a hoo-ha, a big mess. Come say hey to the people. Look at my little fluffy teddy bear. Oh, I love him. He's so cute. Oh, I love you. I love you. I know. You love this rub, and I know you do. I love you. Okay, bye. So let's get this unit installed, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna.
Okay, while this dries into place, we're probably gonna have to go over it a second time. While that dries into place, I'm gonna just brush the hair out a little bit, because the curls, I want them to be a little bit more loose and then a little bit more defined, just a little bit. I might actually do it with my fingers just to make sure I don't completely defeat the curls. Light work, don't do it too hard. Have to remind myself, sometimes I get heavy-handed. Now let's go back to this lace. Now let's get these roots flat. That looks pretty flat to me. Not bad. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty powder. Not bad, Kaya. My little pomade stick, just make sure we don't have nothing crazy going on. And I'm gonna do a light pluck right here at the front. Kind of open this up a little more because it's a little full. I'll pull up my lace. Oops, that's my bad. I did it backwards. Oh well. It's all good. We'll get rid of it. Now that looks a lot more open over there. Going with just a little bit of my we're gonna take this wig brush and give it a nice little brush. A little bit of lip gloss. My lip gloss is gone. Install is finished, y'all. This is what she looks like with a good little right side part. Normally I don't go for right side, but I'm digging it today. I think this wig looks good. Cute little statement wig with the placement of the highlight. It's definitely gonna serve. You are going to look very boss-like this unit. It's giving professional, but also I can meet you after for drinks. You get what I'm saying? I wanna say, is it Claire that I'm thinking of? Begonia. I'm gonna put a little picture right here of me wearing begonia. That's what it's reminding me of. They're both slay though. So this one, I did have to pluck it a little bit more in the front. I wanted it a little bit more open. I don't mind the right side part. The curls are cute. They're starting to fall a little bit. This over here isn't doing what I wanted to. That's why you keep seeing me play with it. But I'm definitely seeing these curls falling already. So just keep that in mind. Of course, the more you wear it, the more you're gonna lose your curls because you got to keep a brush on you and keep it brushed out. But not saying that the curls falling would make the wig look funny. It might even look cute with some loose falling curls. You could probably put in some flexi rods in it to keep the curl in it. I've never tried that on a synthetic wig, but I'm kind of wanting to try it now. But anywho, this wig is giving very professional. I feel like I look real cute in this unit. It's big head friendly. I love the texture. The texture, I did not touch on the texture. I love that it's not silky. It's not yucky, but it definitely has a textured feel to it. I like this wig. Ooh. Where should I wear her to? Should I wear her to work? Or no? Maybe I'll save this for a night out for drinks. Because I look good in this unit. Outre, you did that. I just fell in love. I miss synthetic wigs so much. Anywho, if you guys are interested in this unit, I'm gonna put it in my description bar below. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.